Liebherr T282B. To enter the cab of this behemoth, one must climb a staggering 16 steps. The German Liebherr T282B dump truck is currently the largest vehicle in the world in serial production. Its dump bed can easily accommodate a massive country house. The truck's maximum payload capacity is 363 metric tons. The total weight of the machine reaches 592 tons. It is 14.5 meters long, 8.8 meters wide, and 7.4 meters high. The fuel tank of this colossal mobile machine has a capacity of 730 liters. Average fuel consumption is 174 liters per hour. Standing next to this land-based giant, it resembles an ocean liner more than a truck. You almost feel like shouting, "Ahoy on the bridge!" Its external resemblance to a ship's superstructure and captain's bridge is accentuated by its imposing size, railings, and even 3 ladders leading upward. Inside the cab, in addition to the driver's seat, there is a second seat for a passenger. Instead of a standard dashboard, a liquid crystal display is installed, showing all necessary information for the driver, including feeds from video cameras positioned around the vehicle's body. The price of this hauling monster ranges from $4 to $5 million, depending on the configuration. Caterpillar 797. Caterpillar is one of the most famous companies standing at the origins of special equipment manufacturing. The Caterpillar 797 model was developed for use in the mining industry and designed to transport enormous loads, possessing truly powerful specifications. This giant truck, measuring 14.5 meters in length, 9 in width, and 7 in height, was equipped with 2 V12 diesel engines with a total displacement of 106 liters and an output of 3,400 horsepower. In a modernized version released in 2002, the power reached 3,550 horsepower. Even then, the machine could lift a weight of 345 tons. But this wasn't enough, and by late 2008, a new model appeared, the 797 with the F suffix. Here, the engine was replaced again, this time with a 20-cylinder diesel unit, increasing power to 4,000 horsepower and allowing for reduced fuel consumption thanks to increased efficiency. The payload capacity reached 363 tons, which was a new record at the time. Komatsu 930E-4. Komatsu, one of the global leaders in mining dump truck manufacturing, introduced its 930E-4 model, which has become a vital link in the world of mining machinery. This formidable giant combines reliability, power, and modern innovation. The 930E-4 model is equipped with 2 700-horsepower engines and has a payload capacity of approximately 290 tons, making it an ideal solution for large mining enterprises. The dump truck is equipped with an engine management system that ensures optimal fuel consumption and reduced emissions. However, one of the key features of the 930E-4 is its automatic control system. This reduces the impact of the human factor on the machine's operation, increasing efficiency and safety. A vehicle health monitoring system allows operators to track the status of all systems and prevent breakdowns. Furthermore, the 930E-4 boasts numerous modern functions, such as an anti-lock braking system, a traction control system, and oil level monitoring. All of this is designed to ensure maximum reliability and safety while working in the extreme conditions of open-pit mines. The massive electric dump truck. A group of Swiss engineers, together with experts from e-mining, EMPA, and other specialists from the University of Bern, created the world's largest electric truck, named the E-Dumper. The base for this gigantic machine was the mighty Komatsu HD6057, which boasts impressive dimensions in its own right. However, unlike a multitude of large dump trucks, the E-Dumper is unique as an electric vehicle. To make this monster eco-friendly,
The Komatsu HD6057's 23-liter diesel engine had to be replaced with powerful electric motors. To power them, a massive automotive battery weighing over 4.5 tons was installed. According to various sources, this battery's capacity ranges from 600 to 700 kilowatt-hours. In conditions where electric vehicles do not perform at their best, such as during the cold season, battery drain can be an issue. Yet, even with these limitations, calculations suggest the e-dumper will be able to transport an impressive 300,000 tons of cargo over 10 years of operation, all while emitting no harmful substances into the atmosphere.
ETF MT240. Let's turn our attention back to the rival of the world-famous Belaz. Relatively recently, the Slovenian company ETF Mining announced that a new 5-axle giant has rolled off the assembly line. However, vehicle length is a relative concept for ETF. This is because the model's distinct advantage is an innovative modular assembly system, which allows the vehicle to be equipped with additional motor wheels, power units, and batteries, or stripped of any unnecessary components. The machinery resembles a massive Lego set. The cabin detaches, transforming the colossal machine into a self-propelled trailer. Thus, in its minimal configuration with 4 wheels, the dump truck measures 12.5 meters in length. In its maximum configuration, featuring 10 pairs of gigantic wheels, it reaches 29 meters. All wheels on this massive dump truck are driven and steerable. The off-road capability of the ETF MT240 is simply astounding. The machine is capable of turning on the spot regardless of the road section or the condition of the quarry surface. As for payload capacity, a new record awaits us here. This Slovenian creation is ready to handle loads of up to 760 tons. This is nearly 1.5 times more than that of the famous Belaz. The MT240 will be equipped with engines producing 2,500 horsepower. The Belaz features 2 diesel engines with 2,330 horsepower. However, the Slovenian manufacturer's autonomous axles, combined with a hydropneumatic drive system, completely eliminate swaying both while driving and during unloading.
Terex 33-19 Titan. Alright, let's return to our quarry giants. The Euclid LLD model inspired engineers to create a more versatile and durable prime mover designed for a wide range of tasks. The Terex 33-19 Titan is a truck with powerful specs, released in 1973. Its dimensions are 20 meters in length, 8 in width, and 7 in height, with a curb weight of 228 tons. With all this, the Titan could also carry no less than 320 tons of cargo. This monster was not built around a classic diesel engine. Instead, designers stuffed it with a locomotive power unit. The displacement of this marvel is 169 liters with 3,300 horsepower, and its transmission included 4-wheel hub motors, which became a traditional solution for mining dump trucks for many years. The electric drive also controlled the steering, and the wheels of the rear axle were designed to pivot slightly as well. Admittedly, this marvel did not work for very long, only until the early 90s. The machine was then restored and installed in Canada as a monument. Until its retirement, the Terex 33-19 remained the largest and most powerful mining vehicle. Despite various manufacturers creating new monsters, no one could beat its figures until twin engines appeared.
Belaz. If the previous monsters were roughly the same size, the release of the new Belaz in 2013 upended all perceptions of gigantic dimensions. 20.5 meters in length, 10 in width, and just over 8 in height. These dimensions significantly exceed the size of ordinary cottages. The giant, which received the number 75710 as a model name, is truly one of the most massive transport vehicles ever created. The most important characteristic of the model is its payload capacity. It is capable of transporting an incredible 450 tons of cargo, with a curb weight of about 390 tons. For the sake of a Guinness World Record, it was once loaded with 503.3 tons, and the Bellas proved capable of handling this load. This allows it to be used for transporting huge volumes of raw materials and quarries at mining enterprises. To ensure such immense payload capacity, the Bellas 75710 is equipped with powerful diesel engines with a combined output of over 4,000 horsepower. Its design also provides for a configuration utilizing multiple wheels across heavy-duty axles to support the load. This truck represents an impressive feat of engineering and is used in the most complex and large-scale projects around the world. Its features allow it to cope with tasks that remain impossible for the majority of other trucks.